Found a problem, guys. This ain't good. If I don't fall over. So here's the engine dipstick. That's engine oil dipstick, guys. I think we got a problem. That would explain a lot, guys. This one ain't gonna be as easy as the Ford, but we'll get her done. We're gonna need parts. Might have to rebuild the motor in this. Wouldn't mind doing that. It looks like a little 2-cylinder or 3-cylinder diesel. Ain't that bad. If there's oil in it under the water, or water, yeah, oil sinks, water doesn't. Yeah, I forgot how that goes. But anyways, if there eventually becomes water in it, I mean not water but oil, we might be saved. Besides, the pistons are probably seized. I think it's seized, or it really has a lot of compression. I mean, it is diesel. I don't think you're supposed to be able to turn the motor over by hand, but this ain't good. This ain't good at all, guys. This is not good at all, guys. That's not a good thing, guys. That's what we were just talking about on the last video is, because the airbox, but water got down in the block, because that was engine dipstick, I'm pretty sure. Because radiator right here. So, well, I think we might have to pull the head off this. That's not going to be really easy, because it's right there, but I think it's just some 2 bolts and that would be able to come off. Well, you guys want to subscribe because it's going to turn into a project. But, hope you guys enjoy. So, thanks.